Hi. In this video, I want to show you how to install different firmware in most of the Chery brand cars, which include JACU and Omoda. Firstly, you need to prepare your USB drive. Begin by formatting your flash drive to NTFS or exFAT file system. Once done, you need to obtain the proper firmware for your car. Head to our Telegram group, which is linked in the description. Big warning, only install firmware that match your car model and country market. I be downloading the JACU07 firmware that enables ADB so I can install apps. Once the file is downloaded, click on the zip file to open it. Place the zip window and the USB drive window next to each other and simply drag the zip contents to the USB drive. That's simple as that. It will take a few minutes depending on your drive speed and should not produce any warnings or errors. Now we're almost ready to install the firmware. But before that, we need to go to the Settings app, click on the Device Manager section, and we want to make sure that there is no phone connected to the car. The reason behind it is that when the car will reboot to do the update, if Android Auto or CarPlay are connected, they will take over the display and we won't see the update progress. Once done, you can insert the USB drive to the car and it will reboot and start the update. During the update process, the car may reboot couple of times, depending on the firmware itself. The video was speed up, but for this specific firmware, it took about 20 minutes from start to finish. It may take longer depending on the USB drive speed and the firmware itself. Please watch until the end so you can be sure that the process of the update matches yours. If you want to see install instructions for different models or get updates on new features of the app, consider subscribing to this channel. I only post relevant updates so you won't get your YouTube feed with irrelevant content. That's it. The firmware update is finished. You can now remove the USB drive. As you can see, now we have the 07 firmware installed. I can now go to the engineering menu and have the ADB option enabled so I can install custom apps like the driver's settings app. You can find the features of the app and the install instructions video in the video description. Thanks for watching.